Guys, Brian back with a Kaspa cost token update. We are up 2.05% today as I make this video. And if you watched yesterday's video, things are so far coming to fruition. They are working out just fine as far as the charts we put on there yesterday. And we're going to get a look at that in a second. Then we're going to look at something to see if Kaspa could realistically hit $1. Okay, we're going to go over some numbers and take a look at that, and I'm going to show you. It's not going to be a real super long video, but if you could hang in there, I'm going to give you some realistic numbers and realistic stuff here to back that up. Okay, so first of all, I want to show you the top headlines that are going on today in the world with crypto inside the international sting operation to catch North Korean crypto hackers. Sushi Dex approval contract exploited for $3.3 million. And everybody's worried about this Ethereum Shanghai upgrade. If you're not familiar with it, it's going to let Ethereum stakeholders unstake their Ethereum. Okay, they're worried that that's going to create $2.4 billion of selling pressure on ETH, that it could, and that could definitely bring down the price of Ethereum. Obviously, 2.4 billion off the market cap. That's a big number. Okay, and down here you have Australia ends Binance derivatives license. That means you can no longer long and short the market in Australia, and Ethereum preps for the next big upgrade. Binance is struggling to find banking partners amid regulatory crackdown. And so that's what's going on today. And then, of course, Senator Warren with her anti-crypto army. Boy, oh boy, that's not going to make her very popular with the crypto community, that's for sure. All right, so we're going to get into that this here in a second. We're going to pull the numbers right off of CoinMarketCap for this, if we could hit $1, and I think you guys are going to be excited when we dig into this thing. And if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you here every day with us. Got a lot of KAS holders in here, and just a great community. We've got about 300 people in the community, and it's not quantity, it's quality. Got some great quality people in here, and that means more to me than anything. I would rather have a small, great community than a large out of touch community. So I am happy with where we're at with this thing. If we don't grow another subscriber, I'm totally happy with the people I got. So this is on the hourly. Here is on the daily, guys, the green bubble. So you can see cost right there is up 6.8%, and on the hour, I apologize, it's still up almost another percent. So this thing's heading up for the day here. Okay, here's your crypto fear and greed indicator. Market cap is down almost 1% over 24 hours. Volume is up 8.01% over 24 hours. And Bitcoin dominance is rising a little bit. It's up to 44.2%, up 0.39%. We're at a 61 for the market sentiment, and that's what we were at yesterday. Here's your top gainers and top losers. And I think KAS isn't up there. Must be because we are not in the top 100, I guess. Right now it ranks 212, so it is not on there. But here's your top gainers and top losers from CoinMarketCap, your top 100 coins. Look over here on the left, the biggest gainers, stablecoin, 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 and stablecoin. So you can see there's not a lot of big gains out there today. This market's been going sideways for days now, and this is now Easter Sunday. It's mid-afternoon in the United States, and we're still going sideways here. I'm waiting for Bitcoin to make that big bust here, and it just keeps flirting around with that, right up in that zone. You can see I have 2 alarms set for this thing, and it has just gone sideways, right through sideways this whole time. So it's kind of getting a little frustrating, but it's building up and coiling up. You can see the thing, we're trying to work it out here, So it had that ABC pattern. It hit our price down there for that C leg, and then started on its way back up, and it's just been consolidating sideways right in this little range here since April 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 4 or 5 days now, just going sideways. So waiting for that move up out of here. And I believe that first target for Bitcoin is going to be right up there around 29.2 to 29.6 as soon as we break out of that 28.8 level. I have that alarm set right there for this thing ready to go. So just holding on and waiting for that. I think that's going to have a huge impact with this market. Okay, now let's take a look at this cost real quick here, because what we had working out yesterday on them charts. Let's put this on the hourly so we can see it a little bit better. You can see that big price movement. Okay, we had that 5, 3, and we're working out another 5 steps over here. Okay, but 5 waves up, which was all inside of a one leg. Okay, let me show you here. If you missed yesterday's video, this is all just going to be number 1. Okay, this would be your first leg, your third leg, which is going to be impulsive, and your fourth and fifth, of course, up there. Okay, these are the micro moves inside of the bigger moves, and this thing is playing out perfect. Look at this. Just like yesterday, just like we said, this thing is playing out beautiful. If we take it from right there, this is our 3, working our way right up. It should be impulsive, and it looks like it is. It's hard to say how far this will go. And then we'll have a 4 pullback and then a 5. And like I said, that's all inside of a bigger move in this market. I don't know for sure what it's going to look like or how far it's going to go, but like we said, that'd be your 1, your 3, 4, and your 5 up there. And it's going to be really hard to say how high or how far it's going to go until it starts playing out. So, we'll just put it up like that for now. We'll see how it plays out here. But our first price targets are up at 0.035 to 0.0367. As far as our 5 waves inside here, this should look something. Whoops, I apologize. Hold on one second, guys. I apologize. I already screwed that up a little bit. There we go. There we go. But we should have our 5 waves inside here. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Hard to say how it's going to look like. We'll just keep an eye on it as it plays out. But everything's looking fine right now. This thing's playing out just like we thought it would. Right now we're up 3.12%. Now let's get a look here and see if this thing could realistically hit $1. Okay, we're going to do some math on this thing and get a look at this. Okay, right now Kaspa has a circulating supply of 17 billion coins. All right, so 17 billion. If we go to coin market cap here, okay, hit the rankings. Okay, then we get to circulating supply. If we look for a coin, Cardano has 34 billion circulating. Okay, XRP has 51. Okay, so let's see here. Let's bring our calculator up. And let's clear that. 17 times 3 comes out to 51. All right, so Kaspa has 1/3 of the circulating supply that XRP has. Okay, 1/3 of the circulating supply. Now let's go back to Kaspa here real quick, and these numbers are going to make sense here in a second. Okay, whoops, I apologize. Geez, put them in the wrong place there. KASPA. Here we go. Let's pull Kaspa up. Okay. There we go. Kaspa has 17, so 1/3 that XRP has. Okay, XRP's market cap is $25 billion. All right, I believe that is 100% right. XRP 25, almost, let's say 26 billion. Okay, now let's go back to Kaspa here. We'll just hit the back button and go right back here. All right, so let's bring up our calculator and do some math here. Okay, Kaspa has a market cap, we're going to say, well, let's just go 5, 6, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and it's 1/3 the size of XRP, obviously. So we're at 3 cents now. A 30x would put us let's just call it 90 cents, okay? A 30x. So that would 30x our market cap right here. All right, so if we take that, this market cap here times, if we do a 30x from here, equals $16,860,000,000. A $16 billion market cap, okay? XRP has a $26 billion market cap. And during the bull run, holy, what did it go to? Boy, I think it went to XRP during the bull run. The market cap, I think, was around $100 billion, something like that. So can Kaspa 30x from here at $16 billion market cap? Let's look at these market caps back here with the ranking. Okay, your market caps are right here. A $16 billion market cap. Cardano has 13 billion right now, and this is in a bear market, okay? Cardano's 40 cents. It went to $3 last time. So that market cap was, roughly 8x what it is now. So that would have put Cardano close to $100 billion. XRP went to $3. It's at 50 cents. So that would be a 6x, $125 billion. Could Kaspa hit $16 billion to get it to 90 cents? Absolutely. No question about that. Okay, this coin has gotten mass attention, and right now it's on 46,000 watch lists. Okay, we're ranked number 212 right now. All right, the community is super strong here. Okay, it's getting listed on numerous exchanges, one after another. There's no doubt in my mind. Trading volume is at 23 million, up 73%. That ought to tell you something right there. There's a lot of other people that, especially traders out there, that believe, that what we were showing on our group here, our 5 waves up. There's a lot of people out there that believe that. There wouldn't be 73% buying volume out there if they didn't think we hit a bottom. So, and this thing is just going crazy. It's up 5.77% on the market cap. And let's take a look here at the... And we've had an all-time high of 4 cents on this thing. So there's no doubt in my mind. It could absolutely hit $1. No question about it. Boy, oh boy, I wish I would have got in at 0.0001699. I did a video on that. If you go through my videos and look at that Kaspa video I did on that, it'll blow your mind. There's so many coins. If you get in early on these things, boy, oh boy, the returns are ridiculous. I mean, a lot better than keeping your money in the bank. Not financial advice at all, folks. Everybody's got their own thing, but I would rather keep my money in crypto. That's for sure. So I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. I hope I made it clear enough and not confusing enough out there to make you realize that this thing could definitely, there's no question about it, it can hit $1, in my opinion, for sure. And if you look at this 1 hour chart, this thing is just still heading up as I'm making this video. We're up 3.1%. The RSIs, the 4 hour, a little bit up there. That daily just turned up. The 12 is just turning up. And the 8 is turning up. So looks like it might turn out to be a really nice day for us. So I will keep you everybody updated. Thank you so much, guys, for every precious moment you give me watching these videos. God bless you and your family. I hope you have a fantastic Easter, and thanks again for spending your time with me.